What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's polish some metal. What I have here is my Shinola knife, and as you can see, we've got a lot of wear on the metal parts here, even on the blade. It's pretty dulled up. So I thought I'd give it a little polish. So to clean up this knife and see if we can add a little shine back to some of these worn pieces here, especially down here, you can barely see that Shinola logo. Same on this side, and even the blade itself. Pretty worn down. I am going to use this rotary tool by Wen, this polish by Flitz, and just some regular masking tape to cover up the bone here. And let's go out to the workshop and see if we can make this knife shine. Well, the way I'm doing this is I have my Dremel mounted into my vise here. I can control the speed down here and hit the power button up there. I have the little polishing wheel installed right there, and I am going to spin it and just apply a little bit of the Flitz, because really what I want is the polishing effect without kind of a lot of pressure, and then maybe work up the pressure. But I've got it set on 3, which seems to be pretty quick. So I'll put a little bit of that on there, and then here is the knife that's all taped up, and start seeing if I can polish up these. Now, the way it's spinning here, it's spinning this way so that it's kicking everything that way. So hopefully I won't get anything shooting back on myself, and I certainly will, hopefully won't have the knife kind of shooting back at me. Now, you want to make sure that you are staying protected. I've got one of these just paper dust masks and nitrile gloves that are way too small for me, but they will suffice for now. So let's get polishing. I'm really happy with this, and I thought we'd take a close look at what we've got here. You can see how much more polish there is now after we've gotten rid of some of that wear. I've just wiped it down with a towel, and that Shinola logo is popping out quite a bit more. I'm getting my fingerprints back on it. And even the blade here, I just touched it up kind of up here. I didn't want to go down on the blade and potentially catch it. Now, I wouldn't say perfect mirror. You can see still a little pitting there. I could probably go back and do more, but really what I wanted to do is just brush it up. You can even see some of the polishing marks there. So, you know, I would probably maybe, if I were doing this again, go a little heavier on the compound, and I don't know, maybe even faster in the speed. See, that's my finger. Those are the oils on my finger that are making it look bad now. But it's just a nice way to kind of shine up some of your old metalware, and that was an easy DIY job. So much better than it was. Hey, if you want to pick up any of the Flitz polish or any of that, I will put links to it in the description below, including that rotary tool. Peter Von Panda, out.